What you try to do, you can't deny the truth. No, and what the people choose ain't really up to you. Actions always find a way to shine brighter than the things you say. People need a healing. Let the Spirit be your guide, and when your heart pour out your blessings, then your people need a healing. Let the Spirit be your guide, and when your heart pour out your blessings, your people magnify. No matter what you try to do, you can't deny the truth. No, and what the people choose ain't really up to you. Actions always find a way to shine brighter than the things you say. Can't get around it if you try. If you love them, then you magnify. No matter what you try to do, you can't deny the truth. No, and what the people choose ain't really up to you. Actions always find a way to shine brighter than the things you say.
It's a strange kind of phase when you let go. Let your life flow like a river. Break away from material ego. You never know what's around the corner for you. We all got our beefs and struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go.
All right, tamariki are just making their way out onto the stage. Could I please ask Koroparo ne Pirika to come and start our day with karakia timatanga? All right, 10 o'clock on the dot. There's matua paraone behind our curtains at the moment. Kia ora whānau, could I please ask that we just settle down? Matua Paraone is going to start with our karakia. Just to bless our day and hopefully bless our tamariki that they're going to have a wicked day, wicked performances. So thank you all whānau. Can we get microphone 2 on, please?
See. Ati he mori ora. Anei rā te whakawhiua ki ngā mihi ati kia koutou katoa kua tai. Kua tai nei ki te whakamihiharo ki te whakahirihira tēnei. Te tū mai a wā tātou nei tamariki mokopuna. Rāwhiti mai. No Rotorua, wā tātou nei pakeke, mātua, whāia. Anei rā te whiua ki ngā mihi ati kia koutou, he whakatautau mai, a mārungi wā tātou nei tamariki i tēnei wā. No reira kai inai, no reira e tatua kahara whakapā mai. Whakapā mai te ringa mārungi wā tātou nei tamariki mokopuna. Hei āwhini, hei manaki hia wā rātou nei tū, wā rātou nei ihi, wā rātou nei wana, wā rātou nei mana, wā rātou nei taputanga. Hei hua ake wā rātou nei koikoia, kairuti te kora nei. No reira, atua kaharawa, whakapā mai. Whakapā mai tēnei, marungi te pakahiwi wā tātou nei tamariki mokopuna. Koe ke noa ake ki tēnei taumata, a tihei, mauri ora, kia ora tātou.
Thank you, Matua. We also ask Matua Regan to come up and just share our house rules for today. Cool, thank you, Matua.
Kia ora e te whānau, nau mai haere mai tēnei rā, nau mai ki te koro Rotokawa, ko Regan Williams tōku ingoa, ko au te tūmuaki o te koro Rotokawa, tēnā koutou katoa. Firstly, what an amazing day to have this event. And, you know, it's really good to get all our whānau and our hāpuri together. Without One Foundation jumping on board, just want to thank Kerry and Lynn Preston over the far side there. Really appreciate the sponsorship that you've given us for this day. In terms of the toilets for our tamariki, we've got some toilets just on the other side of that food van there, and also some toilets just on the other side of this building here. For the adults, there's some toilets if you just go through the staff room, there's toilets down the bottom, and also in the office here, there's some toilets in there for all our adults. In the event of an emergency, we'll just make our way down to the field, and on the far side we've got some signs that are on the fence there, and we'll just all meet down there. Hopefully we probably don't need that, But I hope everyone has a good day. We've got a whole lot of performances coming up tonight, and we've also got a couple of special guests here that we'll be speaking to later on. Tēnā koutou katoa.
Ka pai, thank you, Matua. All right, let's get the show on the road. When I say he, you say ha. He. He. When I say ha, you say he. Ha. Ha. He, ha. A little bit confused there. All right, kia ora, my name is Jara McFarlane Roach. I'll be your MC for today. Just a little bit of a kōrero about Te Hiwi o Toroa. Te Hiwi o Toroa is a long sandbank about 8 meters below the surface, around the midway point in between Makoia Island and Waikawa, which is known as Hannah's Bay. It was a sandbank that was rich in kākahi and koura. E ai, ki te murau o Nanahi, Uenuku Kōpoko had 3 wives, Rangi Whakapiri, Hene Pito, and Tāui Te Kura. There was much argument, quarrel between the women as to who should be the principal wife. So he and his wives travelled by waka from Makoia Island to Te Hiwi o Toroa, whereby Uenuku Kōpako proclaimed, Hai konei ka mutu te tohe tangata, mōrewa ake taku wāhine matua, ka mātia te riri, rukuhia te wai, mā te one katoa. Let the quarrel end here, for whoever is the strongest diver shall be my principal wife. So they took turns at who was going to go down first, but Rangi Whakapiri dove first, but could not reach the lake bottom. Hene Pito went next, and she too could not reach the bottom. Finally, it was Tāui Te Kura's turn. At the time, she was wearing a pōhoi tōrua, typically a small feather garment which is on the ear or used on a patu or mere paunamu for distraction. She took a deep breath and dove down deep. She was under long enough to cause fear of death within Uenuku Kōpako. And after some time, her pōhoi tōrua floated to the surface, but no Tāui Te Kura. Suddenly, the surface of the water started bubbling, trembling, and after a while, Tāui Te Kura appeared grasping sand from the bottom. She had elevated herself into the position of Wahine Matua, her Uenuku Kōpako's principal wife, and in recognition of this event, the sandbank became known as Te Hiwi o Toroa. Ka pai. Anyway, who is here to support our Rotokawa Taina? Jeez. Ka pai. Who is here to support Linmore? Who's here to show your tautoko for ECE Puna Kohanga? What about Te Kuro Ngā Moana, Rotorua Lakes High? Let's give it up for our Kura Ōwhata. And also making their way in now is Makoia Intermediate. All right, before I get Rotokawa to get into their performance, we'd just like to give a special acknowledgement to their kaiako, ngā kaiako o Hene Maru, and they've given me a brief kōrero of what their performance is like, so here we go. Anei ngā kākano, ngā poho o Rotokawa ka tipu ake, kei kā horoa, ngā tupu ai, tuatahi kei roto I te whare tāpere, ka waiata, ka kanikani, ka haka, ka tū ki te whakanui tēnei kaupapa, whakahirahira hei whakahiato ngā taura hononga, mai te puarenga ki te waihewa. All right, for their first item, we have Nā Tāne. For their second item, we have Ti Hei Mauriora. And their third item, Te Haka Te Arawae. So without further ado, can we give one more big round of applause for Rotokawa Taina? Chee-hoo! Let's give it up one more round of applause for Rotokawa Taina. How sweet and how soothful was that singing? And how fierce with those pukana eyes. The whētero going on. Gee, they are future matatini performers. All right, whānau, as you can see, we've got a few cameras around the room at the moment. We'd just like to give a big shout out to our local Gecko Productions for live streaming our performances for today. And also one more big shout out to our sponsor, One Foundation, Kerry Bird and Lynn Preston. Can we give them a round of applause, please? There's a few more sponsors I would like to shout out to. Elite Scaffold, who helped with our stage for today. Audio Solutions, Palmer's, Roommate Cabins, and obviously Piripoho with our sausage sizzles over there for our performers, and Rotokawa Kāhui Ako. So can we give them also a round of applause? Without our sponsorships for today, this wouldn't be going on. So thank you again. So up next we have Te Kura o Ōwhatiura Taina. I've also just been told, I know parents are also excited to see their tamariki, but can we please refrain from going behind over here just to keep the space clear for our students to make their way onto the stage. So please don't go behind the stage. Kapoi? Kapoi? Oh, cool, thank you. Someone's listening. All right, so up next we have Te Kura o Ōwhatiura Taina. Our very excited junior students have been working hard all year to learn new waiata, haka, motiatia, and are excited to perform to their whānau and friends. So for their first item, our waiata tira is hutia te rito, whakaeke, toia mai te waka nei, motiatia, tiro tiro, waiata āringa, Ōwhatiura e, poi, puria nei, haka, tama te kapua. As they're making their way behind the curtains, getting ready to come on stage, if they're not ready yet, I think I got a dad joke while we're waiting for them. So what is the difference between kurus? What do kurus and the Eiffel Tower have in common? They're both parasites. All right, not too sure if they're ready yet. Seems like they might be getting changed or they might be making their way behind stage. No, they're not ready. All right. What's another joke? What's another joke? I can't think of one at the moment, but what about a song? Should I sing you a song? All right. Goes like this. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I want to feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer's breeze, keep me warm in your love, and you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. All right, looks like they're ready, I think. How about that, eh? Hey. All right, so we have Lynn Taina, Te Kura o Ōwhatiura. Who's here to support them? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. When you are ready, you may make your way out onto stage. Let's go. Le mo taina te kura o Whatiura.
Keep that
Let's give it up one more time for Limo Te Kura o Whatiura Taina. Could I please just ask that I can interview one of our kaitātakitane or wahine, just to have a little kōrero with them and how they felt through their performance. Tēnā koe, ko waito ingoa, what's your name?
Houston.
Houston, let's give it up for Houston. Gee. And kia ora, darling, what's your name?
Ava.
Ava, let's give it up for Houston and Ava. All right, Houston, how did you feel about that performance?
Good.
Good. Were you excited?
Yeah.
Nervous?
Nah.
Oh, he's not nervous. He's a confident fella, this one. What about you, darling? How did you feel about that performance?
I'm nervous.
Ooh, nervous, but you didn't look nervous on stage there. I saw your eyes glimmering out there towards our audience. What was your most favorite part about that performance?
By doing, I don't know.
She doesn't know. The poi?
Yeah.
Yeah, too much, all right. All right, before you guys go, can we see your best and biggest pukana on 3? Pukana. Ready? Tai rua toro pukana. Gee! All right, you can make your way back to Matua Heke. Kapoa, looks like we got a bit of time to spare. So we just found someone in the crowd. She's got a well-known netballer, very special guest. So can we please give a warm welcome to Irana Mikore. Chee-hoo! So even though I just told everyone what your name is, can you please tell everybody who you are and what you do and who you play for? Can we get our microphone on, please?
He pai. Kia ora everyone. So some of y'all might know me. I'm Irana Makaere, he urio no Te Aroa Tūhaurangi. Engari kei Māori a tōku noho kāinga. So I'm Irana Makaere. I play netball for my job for the Waikato Bay of Plenty Magic, which is awesome. And I'm from here. I went to school at Ōwhata Primary, Mokoia Intermediate, and Rotorua Lakes High School. So it's beautiful to be here, and all my whānau went to Rotokawa School as well.
Ka pai ana. All right, everyone wants to know, hangi or boil up?
Hangi. I love stuffing, so it's hangi.
If it's hangi, is it ground or is it steamed?
I'm not fussy. I like kai.
Kai is kai.
And my dad's raw fish. So.
Ooh, raw fish, bit of kai moana, can't go wrong there. What about, if you had an elephant and you couldn't sell it, how would you get rid of it?
I wouldn't want to. I'd ride it to school. I'd ride it to netball training. And I'd take it home again. It would give me a wash with its trunk. I wouldn't get rid of it. Why?
It's just, I like to get to know you through the way you think. So, another random question. Why are manholes round?
Ooh.
Let's dig into your brain a little bit here.
Manholes are round, so you can only do pin drops, not manus.
Oh yeah, the good answer there. Pin drops or manus or over manus.
I can only pin drop. No one ever taught me how to manu. So if anyone out there can manu, come down to Okere anytime and teach me how to manu.
All right. Since you grew up here in Rotorua, did you ever go to whakarewa and dive for pennies?
No, I didn't. My brother used to jump off the bridge. My dad was a penny diver. But I'm more of a hirere girl. So I'm more of a relax in the hot baths of Rotorua. So I love that.
I heard Uncle Perry was a bit of a shark. Where's Uncle? Is he out there somewhere? Can't quite see him, Uncle Perry. Can you chuck your hand up? Hey, there he is over there at the back, looking the other way. Okay, one more question. When you were a silver fern, what was that experience like?
Unreal. I got to play with Casey Korpua, Laura Langman, and all those girls when I was younger. So I got to debut as a silver fern with them, which is unreal. But I think the cool thing about having that debut is that I was a young girl here. I went to school just like you all in Rotorua and was able to get on the main stage and sing the national anthem in the black dress.
Can we get an example of the national anthem?
Kei a koe? Kei a
no,
koe,
you got the
ko.
mic. Give me the microphone. You can sing a word
Do you know what? I got told, I went to the Māori Sports Awards in the weekend and I actually got this good kōrero from this koro. He said, it's korodik actually, he said, I take a medication and it makes my voice raspy, so I'm probably one of the only Māoris who can't sing.
Oh, that's a good excuse.
Like
there.
these beautiful
Good
tamariki.
excuse. All right, last question for you, Irina. When does the season start for the Waikato Magic?
So we've already started training. I think fun fact for all you tamariki out there, if you want to make it, train, practice, play every sport you can. I love playing sevens, basketball, netball, touch. I love it all because it all helps with your getting better in all your skills. So we've started 2 days a week, but normally we train 6 days a week. So that's one rest day, which is normally Sunday, which is the day I eat my hangi.
Oh, geez, what a busy week there. You hear that, tamariki? If you want to be a netballer or any type of sports person, you got to put in the dedication, commitment, and hard work. And if you do that, I'm sure that you can achieve any dream you'd like to go for. All right, thank you,
Thank
Irina,
you,
for
thank
coming
you.
up on stage and sharing your thoughts and your experience with our tamariki of tomorrow, the next generation. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Bye.
Rakite.
Let's give it up one more time for Irina Mikoere, a Waikato Magic player, former Silver Fern. All right, just to keep time rolling, could I please ask Matua Heketare to make her way to the stage? Matua, can I just ask you a few questions, please? Oh, our tamariki are ready. Who's here to support ECE? Puna kohanga. Best start, Limo. Right, Matua, you were our head tutor?
Kai awhina mai, bro.
Okay, how was that teaching our tamariki, waiata and haka and things along those lines?
Yeah, it was good. Always a challenge to teach babies, 5-year-olds, all the way to, 12-year-olds, 11-year-olds. Especially at Te Kura o Whatiura. So just try and incorporate te ao haka, te ao Māori, tikanga Māori within the kura as best as we can. So it gives all our kids a strong foundation to work off.
Kapai, thank you, Matua. Were there any challenges or obstacles trying to teach those tamariki about haka and waiata or te ao haka, te ao Māori?
Nah, not really. I think the challenge was me trying to come up with the program.
Too much, Matua. Thank you for your time. Thank you for coming on the stage. All right, looks like our tamariki are ready. We have ECE, Puna Kohanga, Rotorua East Kindergarten and Best Start Limo. Rotorua East Kindergarten and Best Start Limo have been coming together to practice their kapa haka at Limo Primary School on Monday afternoons for the past month. Ka mau te wehi, these tamariki here are only 4 and 5 years old. So let's please, and 3 years old as well. Wow, a generation of tomorrow. Before they get started, can I please ask, while the students are performing, you please stay seated. It is quite distracting for our tamariki up on stage. They're already nervous and they don't want to be distracted by people walking around, especially our Mokoia intermediate students. I am watching. So please stay seated while they are performing and please refrain from yelling out while they are performing. That is also distracting for our young tamariki. Kapai, let's get our show on the road. Please give it up one more time for Rotorua East Kindergarten and Best Start Limo.
Ta
Homoi te pikipaki mo te kura. O best start limo and ECE. Before you head off, could I just ask one of your tutors to stay behind? ECE, could I have one of your tutors stay behind? Ooh. Okay. I know as a tutor myself, I know it's not the easiest job to teach kapa. These guys are still in kindergarten, so what was something that you found easy or difficult through teaching kapa haka to our youngsters here?
I found it was fabulous being able to go over to Limmo School and watch them do their kapa haka, and then we got up and did our kapa haka, so the children were being able to see the older children perform, and just letting them know that they're going to be the next children that will be coming up to do it next year.
And they did it. They done an awesome job there. Lovely waiata and dancing moves. I've seen a few there. Kani, shaking the hips. What is something that you enjoyed while teaching these our ECE Best Start Linmore?
I enjoyed teaching them the dances, teaching them the songs, seeing their excitement when we do the atua song, and we normally do it really fast, really slow. Yeah.
Kapai.
Just have fun with it.
Kapai, thank you, Whai. What was your name, sorry?
Megan.
Megan, can we give it up for Whai Megan, please? Just looking out into the crowd, I see TA. We happy. Shout out to Lake Rotorua. Woo! Also want to thank local Gecko Productions once again for the live stream. We're streaming over Facebook. There's links out there for the whānau that are watching. Can we all turn around and face our cameras and give our whānau at home a big wave? Woo! Again, I'd like to thank our sponsor, One Foundation, for putting on for today. It's an awesome occasion, awesome setup too. So we'd like to thank One Foundation once again. Also, Roommate Cabins and Elite Scaffolding for setting up our stage. Thank you all again. I did have a joke, but somehow it's just flown out of my mind. But maybe another song or a joke. I could just have a look, I think. I've got them written down on my notes here. Some awesome jokes for you guys. Mainly for the parents, but oh well. Oh, yeah. That's right. That's what it was. What do you call a factory that makes okay products? Satisfactory. Da-dum. Who here doesn't like math? Doesn't like math. Oh, geez, that's quite a lot. Teachers, what are we doing? You know what we should tell math? We should tell math to grow up and solve its own problems. Woo-hoo. Also, I was drying my clothes the other day. I thought my dryer was shrinking my clothes. It turns out it was the refrigerator. Who gets that one? My puku's getting too big. Refrigerator's getting empty. Oh, now we get it. Alright, who's up next? Looks like we have Rotorua Lakes High. We're still ahead on time. So maybe I could sing one more waiata. Oh, sorry, I'm just getting called to the back. It won't be long. Kia ora back again. To all our koeke kaumatua, we have a kai over there for you. We also have hot chocolates, coffees going on in the staff room if you get a little bit makariri. So if you're feeling a little bit peckish or a little bit, you want to quench your thirst, you can make your way over here or into the staff room and make you a hot chocolate and a cup of tea. Also the whare paku, just a reminder, for our tamariki, just over the top side over there is our toilet for our tamariki. For our adults is this way, I'm pretty sure, and also into the staff room is our adults whare paku. So what was I going to do? I was going to sing a song, Trying to think of a song. Ua I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And in the stars in the sky, they don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror. Who knows this? I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. And if I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, oh, my heart. Shout out to Rod Stewart, Uncle Rod. Oh, I just think I deserve a little bit of a loud clap than that. Let's give it up for myself. Oosh. Yeah. All right, we're still quite, I'm not too sure if Te Kuro Ngā Moana Lakes High are ready yet. But if not, can I ask Xavier Peters to make his way, Xavier Ruben Peters to make his way to the stage. Xavier. Just going to ask you a few questions. While we're waiting for Xavier, I think I hit my paper. Cool. So we have our young man over here, Xavier. He's going to be performing later on today. Just going to ask him a few questions. What are you most looking forward to?
Doing the Kapa Haka.
What part in the Kapa Haka are you looking forward to?
Just being at the back, just doing what I can.
Being at the back, doing what he can, eh? Are you a backpack?
Kind of.
Oh, so he gets carried all the time, eh? Bit of a backpack. Do you have a joke for us? Because I heard you're a bit of a joke master too.
Nah.
Nah. Oh, maybe he can't just think of one off the top of his name. So, training through Ahurei Kapa Haka, you just performed last week at the Sir Howard Morrison Centre. What was your favourite thing to do when you were out on that stage?
I wasn't there, I was sick.
Hey, he was sick. That's right. He is a backpack. He trains all for those couple of weeks and then doesn't even show up to the performance. Oh, those are some mighty tricks there, Xavier. Anyway, through your training, what was one of your favorite things or least favorite things to do?
My favorite thing was doing the Kapa Haka with my friends, and least favorite thing was doing it. Yeah.
Hey, his least favorite thing was doing it. He's a rough man, all right, tough guy, all right. All right, thank you, Xavier. Can we give it up for Xavier, please? Matsua Tamihana. Ready? All right, what's our time now? Kapai. We're a little bit ahead of schedule, but that's okay. So up next, who's here to support Te Kuro Ngā Moana? Rotorua Lakes High School. Right, we're going to give a big shout out to our kaiako, Matua Tamihana, Rawako, Matua Justin, Tēnā Korua Kazis. Lakes High, the ropu today are ākonga from our Puke Tāwhero unit, as well as those partaking in the Junior Te Ao Haka option class. This is a collection of waiata we have learnt this year and have worked on understanding the kaupapa behind each item. So first up, we are waiata tira. He rā hau tēnei, mō tea, te ngiri a hau mai tawhiti, waiata āringa i te roa, haka, te haka o te kura o ngā moana, and waiata ngā hau paki mai. So up next, without further ado, let's give a warm welcome to te kura o ngā moana, Rotorua Lakes High. Te kura o ngā moana, Rotorua Lakeside. Let's give it up for that one more time. Could I please ask that the kaitātaki tāne and wahine stay behind just for a few questions, please? Who's our kaitātaki tāne for te kura o ngā moana? Kia ora, darling. Can you just tell the crowd your name and... Oh, here we go. Can you just tell the crowd who you are, please?
Kia ora, ko Merely Taitani tōku ingoa.
And kia ora, ko waikoe?
Ko Mokoia tōku ingoa.
Mokoia, voi. That's a chiefly name. So, also, who do we have here?
Kia ora tātou, ko Matua Tami ana hau.
Kia ora matua tami hana. Right, darling, what is one thing that you enjoyed about learning haka and performing the haka today?
Just have fun.
Having fun, kapoa. That's what today is all about, having fun, celebrating te Hiwi o Toroa. Our kaitātaki wahine has lost their voice, so she's been going too hard out, which is a good thing. If you can, what was your favourite item of today?
Tomato eke.
Eke, that was mean too. What about you, mate?
The haka.
Haka, te kura o ngā moana haka. That was fierce, all right too. So matua tami ana. What is the trials and tribulations that you had through teaching Rotorua Lakes High, their kapa? What is one thing that you enjoyed, or what was the trials that you had through teaching Rotorua Lakes High?
Tētahi mea nui, mō tātou, kia tika te iao, te kaupapa o ngā kōrero I roto I ngā waiata. So making sure we know what we're talking about, what we're singing about, because in those waiata pūrākau that mai rāno, and that's our way of carrying those on.
Thank you, matua. What was something that you enjoyed the most, whether it be through training or just today through their performance?
Just seeing the energy left out on the ātāmira nei, koera te mea poikau.
Oosh. All right. Before you guys leave, I'm just going to get you to do your fiercest and heartiest pukana. Even matua, you're going to jump in there? No, we're all going to do it. Our young ones can do it. We can do it too. On three. 1, 2, 3, pukana. Yeah! Chee! Let's give it up for matua tamihana and our kaitātaki for te kura o ngā moana. Right, there's a few sponsors that are left out in my last kōrero, so I'd like to give a big thanks again to Audio Solutions, Palmer's, and our main sponsor for today. Thank you to Kerry Bird and Lynn Preston once again for One Foundation for funding today's event. Without them, we wouldn't be celebrating Te Hiwi o Toroa today. So thanks again to those sponsors. And one more sponsor, Piri Poho, over there in that tent over there, or that trailer that are giving out sausages, sausage sizzles. And speaking on sausage sizzles, who wants one? This can be for parents as well. All right, I'm going to make my way down into the crowd. If you want a sausage sizzle, keep your hand up. If you're screaming, come to me, it's most likely I'm not going to come to you. But if you do want one, you have to sing a song. All right, can we go over here? Chico, Etsu. Chico. If you want a sausage sizzle, you got to sing a song. Who wants it? Oh, mai rangi. Make your way there. So this is Oho Mai Rangi. He's a year 8 at Mokoia Intermediate. And what song are you going to sing us today?
Any?
Okay, give us your best shot. Oho. Sing us a song.
Then I get a sausage in?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep. Here we go here.
Are you sure?
Let's go. 5,
Alright,
4. Let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, no.
Ah, he sold it. He sold his sausage sizzle to someone else. Who else wants a sausage sizzle? I see a hand up over here on the far right side. I got 12 tickets to give away for a sausage sizzle. If you can sing at least 2 lines of a song, I'll give you this ticket. You make your way to the Pihiporo trailer and claim your sausage sizzle. Kia ora. Ko wai tō ingoa? Sienna. And which she's from Rotokawa school, our host school. So she's going to give us her best singing voice. Are you ready for this? She's not ready, but we're going to give it to her anyway. At least 2 lines.
What do I sing?
Let's count her down as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Matariki, era e te matahi o te tau, te korena petu e te maro. Rangi nui, e piata te mahi ana, pukaka kai te rangi, e tohu ana i te taumau Māori e. Ko tupu anaku, ko tupu arangi, ko waiti waita, waipuna rangi, ururangi e.
Let's give it up for Sienna. She just earned herself a free sausage sizzle. So here you go. You can make your way to the trailer over there. Claim you a free sausage. Well, it's not really free if you got to sing for it, eh? All right, Edward Twitty, make your way up here. All right. Is your song going to be sensible? Maybe. No, is it going to be clean? Here we go. Just 2 lines or 3 lines of a waita, then you can get you a free sausage.
What? Because tonight will be the night that I'll fall for you. I sang it!
Oh, does that deserve a sausage sizzle? Oh, majority rules. That doesn't deserve one. How about you over here, darling? Cool. What's your name?
Serenity.
And you?
Tara Lee.
Are you going to do a duo? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let's count them down. Here. Hold.
What song are we singing? Tahu Di Omata. Can you come over this way? Yeah. Tahu Di Omata. Oh, Anna. Yeah. Can we just sing 2?
No, all together.
No, just 2 lines.
Okay, yep. Let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Te ai o moana e, tahuri o mata, te te hiki mata whau. Ka whati te whai tiri, ka whati te whai tiri, kai ko te huira.
Oh, boy. I'm going to give one each to all 3 of you.
Yeah.
Even though we had our main singer, I could still hear them singing.
Thank you. Yeah.
So if you can make your way to the Piripoho trailer, you get a sausage sizzle. Who else? This time you don't have to sing a song, you just have to answer my question correctly. Since I've seen a lot of you didn't like maths, it's going to be math questions. What is the square root of 25?
I don't know.
Next. All right, Alice. What is 4 squared?
What? 16.
16, Kāhui. All right, who else wants one? Yep, our lakeside student over there. Oh, you already got one. You don't need one. All right, Storm. Since he's not yelling out to me. If I had 3 carrots and I gave 2 to my rabbit, how much do I have left?
1.
Yep, easy as. Here's a sausage sizzle. We're going to come over here. Is there any parents that want a sausage sizzle? Oh, we got our cameraman. He wants one. Do you want to make your way down? Are you allowed? Do I come to him? All right, just show me with your fingers the answer. What is 5 plus 5 take away 2 plus 2 again? Five plus 5 take away 2 plus 2. Kāhui, 10. Can we have matua? Actually, who else wants a sausage sizzle? All right.
Can you ask if anyone's found the phone, please?
What? Okay, we just have a lost item. If anybody has found a black iPhone, which number? iPhone 10. It has a black heart on the back. Can you please hand it in to Whaia Christina or Whaia Moana on our local Gecko Productions? Also, one more shout out to local Gecko Productions for live streaming today's event. All right, the first 4 students. Oh, and a Samsung as well has been lost. The first 4 students to come and touch my left hand gets a sausage sizzle. All right. We're giving our ones away. The first 4 was Anthony, Te Ariki, and who was it? Where is she? There it is. Okay, can you make your way back down? Sitting in front of the stage, please. All right, we're going to get back underway with our next rōpū. And that is Te Kura o Whatiura, Linmore Middle. Who's here to come and support them? Right. Linmore Middles. Throughout the year, our enthusiastic middle school students have dedicated themselves to mastering new waiata, haka, and mōtetia. Their hard work has cultivated excitement as they eagerly anticipate the opportunity to showcase their skills and performance for their whānau and friends. For their waiata tira, we have Hareruia, mōtetia, ko io, waiata āringa, ka pioioi, poi, puria nei, and haka, tamate kapua. So let's give them one more warm welcome to Te Kura o Whatiura Middle. Chee-hoo!
Kia.
Let's give it up for Te Kura o Whatiura, medals. Can we grab the leader, please? Can I ask that the kai tataki tāne and wahine stay behind again? Just going to ask you guys a few questions. Renee? Yep. Okay. Kia ora, who do we have here? Who am I speaking to?
Titaru.
Titaru and
Ella.
Ella. Wow, what a powerful haka there, Titaru. Was that you?
Yeah.
Far out. You're going to be a future leader, all right? Which ropu, do you know any ropu in the Kapa Haka? Okay. Tūhaurangi, eh? Ooh. What is one thing, one of your favourite things, darling, that you enjoyed through that performance?
The poi.
The poi? What about the poi did you like?
When you had to catch it.
You have to catch it. Did you throw it up in the air and catch it? Gee, that takes skills. There's a young master of poi over here. And what about you, mate? What was your favourite thing that you enjoyed?
I don't have one.
You didn't have one the whole thing? The whole performance?
Haka.
Haka, tamate kapua, eh? You're going to be a chief just like tamate kapua one day. All right, before you guys head off the stage, can you get your best pukana? When I count down from 3, you're going to go to the crowd and to the cameras and show your biggest and best pukana. Ka poi? 3, 2, 1, pukana! Kapua korua, you may make your way up the stage now. Right, before we get to our next ropu, we have another special guest. She is in a band that is locally known as 2 Mile Bay. We're going to call up Renee, who is one of our lead singers here for 2 Mile Bay. Oh, we have our second mic. Cool, thank you. Can we get the second mic on, please?
Check. Kia ora. Oh, kia ora.
Kia ora, Renee.
Hi.
So, 2 Mile Bay, what type of genre of songs do you guys sing?
Oh, we do a little bit of all sorts, we do. It's my partner and myself. We travel around Aotearoa doing covers. We go from rock to country, old school, new school. But we've also been working on our own music at home. So you can find 2 Mile Bay on Spotify and iTunes.
Oh, you hear that, whānau? 2 Mile Bay, don't forget the name. I was actually fortunate enough to listen to 2 Mile Bay a few months ago on Father's Day. And remember the party?
Oh, aye. We'll leave that there.
So 2 Mile Bay, they're excellent performers, excellent singers. And we're just going to give the stage to Renee here. So let's give it up for Renee one more time from 2 Mile Bay.
Oh, kia ora, everybody. It's a bit of a surprise. I'm not used to standing up here by myself. Hey, I'm not vocally warmed up, I'm just going to say that. But I'd just like to acknowledge all our babies. How beautiful you have all been today. My little one was actually just in the last ropu. Managed to catch up with her as she was walking out, and my nephew. But I'm going to do a bit of a waiata for you now. That's hopefully going to get you babies up dancing in your spots, though, so your teachers don't need to find you. Okay? Yeah? Okay, if we can hit it. Here's a little bit of Uptown Funk for your Monday. I'm gonna take my jandals off. Yeah, that's the one. Clap along. Hey. This hit that high school, Michelle fight for that white gold. This one's for them good girls, them hood girls, straight masterpiece. Darling, wildin', living it up in that city. I got Chucks on with my St. Laurents. I gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot, hot damn. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot, hot damn. Makes a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot, hot damn. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot, hot damn. Am I bad about that money? Break it down now. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Uptown Funk, gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk, gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk, gon' give it to ya. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on, go babies. Yeah. Ha. Don't believe me, just watch. Yeah. Ha. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Oh, stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Julio, get your stretch. Right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. And we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh drop skipping. I'm too hot, hot dance. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot, good, hot dance. Makes a dragon wanna retire. I'm too hot, hot dance. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot, hot dance. Am I bad about that money? Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Uptown Funk gon' give it to ya. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on, go boys. Bring it along. Ha. Don't believe me, just watch it. Go babies. Yeah. Ha. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Yeah, look at these fellas. Before you leave, let me tell you a little something. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Come on now, dance, jump on it. If you leave, then flown it. If you freaky, then own it. Don't brag about it, come show me. Dance, jump on it. If you sexy, then flown it. Well, it's Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on, yeah. Get down with your bad self. Woo! Don't believe me, just watch it. Ha! Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Yeah. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody. Round of applause for those babies. Oh, you boys were on fire. Yeah, they're neat, eh? Thank you very much, everybody. Take care.
Wow, we were. Seen some wicked dance moves out there, especially from our Linmore kids over there. 3 our boys from Makoia. Some awesome dance moves, a few dance moves that I haven't seen before. And some parents might be shocked there from our Makoia boys. Woo, woo, dropping it low. Holy heka. All right, also, whānau, we have the phone still missing. It is a Samsung phone with a case with a black heart on the back of it. I was informed that it was fully charged and the phone has been we've been trying to call the phone, it's going straight to voicemail. So somebody has switched off the phone and may have it on their person. So we have Fire Christina around. If you see her and you know where the phone is, please let her know. Also Fire Moana, she's wearing a green shirt with a camera on her. She works for Local Gecko Productions. So if you see her and you know of the phone, there's Fire Christina there. Please let her know or give it to her. The phone was charged and has been switched off. Been trying to call the phone, it's going to voicemail. So if anybody knows of where that phone may be, please let someone know, myself, Fire Christina or Fire Moana. Thank you. So next up, I want to hear some noise. Who's here to support Te Kura o Ōwhata? I feel like we can get a bit louder than that. Who's here to support Te Kura o Ōwhata? Woohoo! Ingoa o ngā kaiako kaiawhina, Matua Tihikura, Whaia Stevie and Whaia Kelly. Ko te kapa e whaiake nei, ko whakapau ngā kau te maunga, ko waingai he te awa tukukiri, ko te puke tāwhero te papa whenua, ko te roro te rangi te hapu, ko ōwhata te marae, ko ōwhata te kura. E tū tēnei kapa i runga i te whakaiti, whakaeke, mate mataone ko ngā kōrero e kaha nei mātou i te kura, ko au ko te kura ko au. I tū tēnei kapa ki te tautoko i te kaupapa i te rā nei ki te whakanui, te hiwi o Toroa, ka tika, ka mihi atu ki a koutou ngā kai whakahaere o te kaupapa nei. Tēnei te tuku mihi atu ki a koutou e noho ana ki runga i te whenua o Uenuku kōpako. Waiata tira. Ko te waiata e kōrero hia mō ngā manu, e kaha ki te kōrero i roto i te wao tapu nui o te uruera. E ki oi te kōrero, ko te reo kia tika, ko te reo kia rere, ko te reo kia Māori. Whakaeke, ko tēnei waiata, he waiata ki te whakanui a tātou e noho tahi nei te rā nei. Mō teatea, ko tēnei mō teatea, he mō teatea ake nei ngā kōrero e pāna ki ngā kia rangi te aorere. Poi, ko te poi e whaiake nei, he poi whakamaumahara e pāna ki ngā mate e rere nei. Haka, ko te haka, he haka e kaha ki te whakatauira i tēnei mea te tohi, ko te tohi, he wā mō te karakia i te wā i haere ngā toa ki te pākanga. Hapai, looks like our soldiers are ready. It's D-Day. So let's give it up. One more time for Te Kura o Ōwhata. Te kuro o whata. Let's give it one more round of applause. There was some beautiful, beautiful singing there. And who is our kaitataki tāne? Man, he is the mantis. Who's our kaitataki wahine? Ooh, this guy here. Man, can we give him one round of applause? How about that haka, eh? All right. Let's go over here, right? Let's make our way to the center of the stage. Right, who am I speaking with?
Ruawahia.
Ruawahia. Wow, what a beautiful name.
Carrie Lou.
Carrie Lou, that's a beautiful name too. And what about you?
Jimmy.
Kimmy. Phew, man, he is powerful. There's, I just want to step up here, please, Kimmy. Through your training and all of that, your Kapa Haka practices, what is one thing that you enjoyed most?
Being the leader.
Being the leader. What about the leader do you like?
Leading.
Leading, obvious answer, eh? What about you, Ruawahia? What is something that you liked about your training or even standing today? What's something that you enjoyed?
The long poi.
A long poi, I didn't get to see it. Can we just have a little example of your long poi? But before you do, what is something that you like to do?
Everything.
Everything. If there was one thing that you could choose that was your favorite item, what would that be?
Poi.
Poi. Do you reckon you can show us a bit of your skills from the long poi? Because I missed it. I didn't get to see it. Let's give it up for Ruawahia. Shee-hee! Step forward a little bit, darling. Come forward a little bit. Here we go. And again. Shee-hee-hee! Look at that. That takes skills. That is skills. All right. Give me. What about you? You want to show us your poi skills too? Oh, okay, okay. Can we give that crowd our pukana? Can we do the Mamina's pukana? One time for the people at home as well, just in case they missed it. Thanks to local Gecko Productions. Here we go. From 3. 1, 2, 3, pukana! Kapai, thank you. You can make your way off the stage now. I just wanted to mention one thing. There are quite a few links out there that are spam or they are not related to today's performances. For those of you who are watching at home, please only click on the link that your school has provided. If you are clicking on any other links, it might take you somewhere else. It's going to be some type of spam or they might hack your page. So please, whānau, for those of you who are watching at home, only click on the links that your school has provided. If you don't know where to find those links, search up on Facebook your school page and it should be there posted by one of the teachers or the principal. Thank you to those who are joining in. I hope you're enjoying the show. I hope that you are enjoying the singing, the haka, because that is beautiful, soulful and smooth. All right, I'm going to make my way out into the crowd again. I'm not too sure how far I can go, but we're just going to test it out. I'm just going to come down to this tent over here. I'm just going to ask them a few questions. What are we selling over here? We got this black tent, great white. Looks like we got some awesome deals, some awesome prices. Kia ora, kia ora. If the cameras can still see me, I'm over by this black tent. What do we have for sale over here?
We have cookie time slice, chocolate crunch, and caramel chocolate slice.
Ooh, caramel chocolate. And a banana cake too. Caramel slice and banana cake, my favorite. So if any of you students want to get me anything for Christmas, caramel slice and a banana cake, thank you.
Fry bread and a seafood chowder, but we only have one pot left, so kia tere whānau.
One pot left for seafood chowder. It's only $5. Awesome price, and the fry bread is $2 too. I can smell it from on stage. That's why I came here first. Woo! Oh no, thank you. I'll get one after. What do we have over here? We got this. Kia ora moko. We got something over here. This green. I don't know what to call it. Green trailer. I'm just gonna make my way into the trailer if I'm allowed to. Kia ora. Who am I speaking to?
Ivana.
Ivana. So what do we have for sale in today's trailer?
Fruit smoothies, fresh juice, and Lotus energy drinks.
Ooh, fruit smoothies and energy drinks too, whānau. If you're feeling down and out, make your way down to this green trailer here. They got some awesome prices, and if you're thirsty as well, just standing in this trailer, I can smell the aromas. Woo! Get down here quick, whānau. The prices are down here on the front of the trailer, so if you're thirsty, make your way over. Is there anything else that you have for sale?
We do iced chocolates and iced frappes.
Ooh, iced chocolate and ice
Frappe.
frappe. That sounds French. I've never tasted it before, but it looks delicious. I'm just watching them make one now. Here you go. Oh, do I get a free sample? Oh, I'll give it a try. Oh, just to let the whānau know at home what it tastes like. Delicious whānau. I just tasted one free sample over here. Heka moly. You're missing out if you don't buy one. Thank you again, Ivana. Oh, I can take it with me. Gee. Lucky me, lucky me. All right, whānau, we're going to make our way down to our piripoho tent. Kia ora, kia ora. We're going to make our way down to this side over here. What do they got for sale? Check this out, I just got this for free. Perks of being the MC. Woo! Delicious as well, whānau. If you are thirsty, that green trailer is the one. All right, let's see what we got going over here under the piripoho trailer. Oh, as I'm getting closer, I can smell what is cooking. Good looking. If you smell what piripoho is cooking. Kia ora, kia ora. Kia ora, who am I speaking to over here?
Shane.
Kia ora, Shane. It looks like we got 1,000 sausages on the line. So how much can someone get? How much sausages can someone get for a few dollars?
We're not for sale, Matua.
Oh, we're not for sale, actually.
We're actually here for our tamariki that are performing. So all our tamariki that are performing they come off the stage and then they come over here and get their sausage sizzle.
Kapai, thank you very much to all of our performers. If once you've come off the stage, you can make your way down to this trailer here and you get yourself a free sausage sizzle. How lucky are we? We're blessed to get some free kai for our tamariki. They've been working hard, training hard, performing hard, and they get some sausage sizzles as well. We have my niece over here. What's her name?
Ani.
Ani Roach. This is Metara's older sister. So make her feel welcome. Oh man, the smoothie is delicious. Okay. I hope someone has found our lost phone. That's a black iPhone and a Samsung. It's in a covered case with a black heart at the back of it. We're making my way back up on stage now. Alright. Before we get into our next rōpū, I'd just like to mention our sponsors again. Kerry Bird and Lynn Preston from One Foundation funding today's event. Elite Scaffold for putting this stage together. It's immaculate actually. It's a bit of an upgrade from last year's on the field. Now we've got a beautiful stage for our performers. Roommate Cabins back there. Big sponsor. Shout out to them. A big thanks to them. Obviously the people who are streaming today's event live, local Gecko Productions. Remember, only click on the links that your school has provided. If you're clicking on any other link, it might be a hack, could be a spam. Just you don't want any of that, those nonsense bugs. So only click on the link that your school has provided. And local Gecko Productions got your back. Also another big thanks, shout out to Audio Solutions, Palmers for these beautiful plants over here. They provided these plants, and also to our host school, Rotokawa, Kāhui Ako. Without any of our sponsors, today's event wouldn't be happening. So thanks again. Can we give all of our sponsors a round of applause, please? Woo! All right. Think we're going to get into our next ropu. Who's here to support Mokoia? All right, te kura taka wanga o Mokoia. Our tutors, give a shout out to our tutors, Matua Hori, Whaia Shayla, and myself. There's actually no kōrero for me to talk about what we're going to do with this group, so I'm just going to go off the cuff. So we've only had about 2 weeks all up learning waiata, haka, and fortunately these waiata and haka are part of our school waiata and our school haka. So they were, actually, yes they are, and there's only one song that we've only just learnt. So it's only taken us about 2 weeks. We've only had about 2 weeks worth of training to get this all 100% ready for you guys. Last week we performed at the Sir Howard Morrison Centre, and a lot of these students, actually all of them, last week's performance, it was their first time ever doing kapa haka. So some of them may be frightened, some of them may be nervous, but it's good to see a lot of whānau here to show their support for our tamariki. All right, let's get underway. Te kura taka wanga o Mokoia, our first item. Waitatira, te rangi mārie, a whakaeke, haka pōhiri, waiata āringa, rimu rimu, haka, te kōwiri, whakawātea, tēnā koutou. Right, so before they come on stage, may I please ask that you find your spot, sitting down, please. When they're performing, can you please try and refrain from moving around, walking around, just because some of these students, it's their first time. We don't want to get them, they're already nervous. They could be easily distracted from watching people walking around and stuff like that. So if we can please find your spot, take a seat, and enjoy the show. Without further ado, let's give it up. A round of applause for Te Kura Taka Wainga o Mokoia. Hui, te kura takawainga o Mokoia. Can I please ask that Kingston and Kaylee stay behind? Kingston and Kaylee, please. All right. How was our two leaders, eh? Awesome. Can we get a round of applause for our two kaitātaki? All right, even though I just told everyone your names, can you please introduce yourself? So what's your name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee and?
Kingston.
Do these two look alike? Oh, they're brother and sister, if you didn't know. All right, so what is one thing that you enjoyed the most throughout your whole Ahurei campaign? Singing. What songs was your favorite to sing?
Rimu rimu.
Rimu rimu a wāta aringa. What about you, Kingston? What was one of the favorite things that you enjoyed throughout your Ahurei campaign?
Doing the haka and losing my voice at the same time.
Doing the haka and losing his voice at the same time. He's got some mana, eh? He's got some power in his voice there. Some big pipes there from Kingston. I reckon he's going to be a future leader in one of our Te Aroa ropu. Do you guys know any of the ropu around Te Aroa? Oh, Tūhaurangi. Must be Tūhaurangi. Oh,
Pikio.
ui, Pikio. Is any Pikio people in the house? Ooh, let's go. Any Pikio group that you have in, any specific ones? Piki Kotuku, Ngāti Rongomai. Got some future performers in there. What is your favorite item in that whole thing?
Upoku.
The haka. Ka pai, what about you?
Wairea, wairea.
Ui, so for you, those of you that don't know, Wairea, our whakawātea, is actually our school karakia, and these guys ended up making it and turning it into a haka. So a lot of them were, a lot of the items were inspired by the students. They chose what they wanted to do, and you know they just came out here and done well. So can we give the crowd your best and biggest pukana? Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3, pukana! Ooh, that one's for our whānau at home watching on our live stream. Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you, Kingston. You may make your way on stage. Whew. There was a little bit of a mishap there by myself on the guitar. Snapped a few strings. Ooh, so I had to change again and then snapped another string on this one. Playing too hard out. Hecka. No good. No good. That's all right. Just restring it up when we get back to kura. All right, what's up next? What is the time? What is the time? 12:30. We're still way ahead of time, whānau. At the moment, it's 12:25. Mokoia was actually supposed to perform at 12:30. So we are half an hour ahead of time. So what I'm going to do now again, just impromptu stuff. I'm going to make my way into the crowd. Enjoy my milkshake that I got from over there. If you're thirsty, whānau, make sure you go to that green trailer. Milkshakes are beautiful. Milkshake brings other boys to the yard. Ah, this looks like the pai pai. Tēnā koe, tēnā koe. Kia ora, ko oi koe.
Ko mini kaua hau.
Kia ora, this is Nanny Minnie. Nanny Minnie, so far, who is your favourite or who did you come to support? Actually, we won't do favourites. Who did you come to support?
Haere mai ki te manaki ngā tamariki katoa.
Ka pai, she's come here to support all of you, not just one group. All of us, everybody that's standing today and singing and huckering their hearts and little lungs out. All right, who else can I go to? I've seen someone over here with this cowboy-looking hat. Not too sure if he is a cowboy though. Excuse me, excuse me. Oh, he's taking his cowboy hat off. Kia ora matua. Who am I speaking with?
Kia ora, Jara. Doing a good job, mate. Awesome. Kia ora whānau, ko Rāwari Wihapi tōku ingoa, ko te tumuaki o te kura takawainga o Mokoia. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou. What a wonderful day. Awesome celebration with all our tamariki from the east side, Kāhui ako. Thank you to everyone coming along today to support the kaupapa. And I'm looking forward to Makoia Intermediate hosting this event at Makoia next year. Kia ora koutou.
Too much. For those of you that didn't know, yes, Makoia will be hosting Te Hiwi o Toroa, Rua mano rua te kau mā whā. So we have to try and, some way find a way to beat this, because this is a magnificent stage for our young performers. Excuse me, Lulu. I see someone else wearing a cowboy hat. Not too sure if he's a cowboy either. Kia ora matua. You want to say a quick few words, who you come to support, and who is your favourite performance so far?
Kia ora tātou. Tīkura taku ingoa e kai ako au ki roto i te kura o whata. He pai ki te hara mai ki konei, ki te manaaki, ua tātou tamariki i tiwirunga i te ātāmira i te rānei. My favourite kapa, everyone's my favourite kapa today, e woma. Thank you much, Chai. Where have you gone? Check it up.
We have a request from a student here. She wants to say a quick joke. Here it is.
What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese!
Say nacho cheese. Who else do I see over here? Cousin Justin. Oh, he's looking away. Something over there. Kia ora, Kazi. Kia ora, Kazi. How are you enjoying this day today? And can we just have a bit of a kōrero of your experience through teaching te kura ngā moana?
Kia ora koutou. Yeah, it's just a celebration of all the East Side cluster. Thank you, Joy. Kazi.
Short and sweet. Short and sweet's always the best. Who else can I find around here? Me and Mrs. Jones. She got a thing going on. Mrs. Jones, just gonna ask you, what is one of your highlights of today's performance or today's kaupapa? Oh, she's just got here. So her favourite was obviously Makoia, because it's the only one she's seen. What about Mrs. Hyde? Kia ora, Mrs. Hyde. What is your highlight of today?
Always Makoia, because I'm at Makoia, but I have to say that we depend on the contributing schools. We depend on Uwhata and Rotokawa and Linmore, so they must be all stars, because when they get to Makoia, they are tops.
Woohoo! You hear that? Linmore, Rotokawa, and who have I missed out? Anybody? Ōwhata. So she's come to support everyone, all of our contributing schools. So when you guys do come to Makoia, you fellas are going to be, yes? Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm going to make my way back onto stage. And I've got a few things. All right. Before we get into our next ropu, when I say up the, you say was. Up the! Up the! Woo! What about that forward pass from Reece Walsh? I still can't get over it. Now up the! Up the! Up the was. 2024 Roger Tuivasa Shakers coming back, eh? Are we excited for that? If they can make the top 4 this year and bring back Roger and keep their same team, I reckon we're going for top 2 or might be minor premiers. Oh, that's just my opinion anyway. Okay, kia ora to all of our Makoia students. I know you guys might be getting a little bit restless, might be getting a bit tired, it's hot. But can I please ask you that you may sit down so that the rest of the whānau behind you can see. Shout out to Tay and Taylor. Shout out to Devlin, he did pretty mean this year. And basketball, haka. So Makoya students, if you're just gonna stand there, please make your way to the sides. Or otherwise, menoho please. Need to work on these ears. I think some of their ears are a little bit painted on. Makoya students, if you are standing up, please sit down or make your way to the side so people can see behind you. They can't see through you. All right, I'm getting the wrap-up signal. Who we got next? Oi, here we go. Who's here to support Te Kura o Whatiura Tuakana? Linmore School Tuakana. I think we can make a little bit more noise than that. Who's here to support Te Kura o Whatiura Tuakana? All right. There's no kōrero, so we're just going to get into what they're performing today. For the Waitatira, we have Wairua Tapu, Whakaeke, Uia Mai, Mō Tea e Noho Ana Au, Waiata Āringa, e Koro Whakauwe, Poi, e Ihoa, Haka, Turipuku, Hoi, Whakawātia, I te pō. So without further ado, we've kept them waiting long enough. Let's give it up for Linmore School Tuakana, Te Kura o Whatiura.
Tamariki puki kōtuku, kei pūraukia, i te rangi. Anei o tamariki i moku puna, ani kia koutu katoa. Hai atu rā, hoki wairua wairua.
Some beautiful singing there. Let's give it one more round of applause for Te Kura o Whatiura Tuakana. Now please ask for the kaitātaki wahine, kaitātaki tāne. Matua. Matua. Can we get our leaders to stay? Beautiful singing. Ooh, the first time we've heard turipuku today. Hang kamate, what I mean haka. Who am I speaking with?
Evan.
Evan and
Aria.
Aria. Well done, Korua. Give it up for our two leaders for today. Weren't they magnificent? Ooh, what is one thing that you enjoyed throughout that performance?
Going mean in the haka.
Going mean in the haka. Wasn't he mean? He was, eh? Mean as. What about you? What was your favourite thing that you done in that performance?
The poi.
The poi. Did she fly those pois nice and high? What do you reckon? Yes? I reckon. Yeah, I was watching in there on the TV, enjoying my milkshake. Anyway, before I let you guys go, we're just going to give our people watching at home one more pukana, and for our cameraman over here too. On three, ready? 1, 2, 3, pukana! Yee-hoo! Thank you, you can make me ways off the stage now. All right. I got 4 more tickets for a free sausage sizzle. First 4 people, stand up, turn around, touch the ground, gets it. Yep. 1, 2. Three. That one over there. Okay, first one to sit down. All right. Who's here to support Te Kura o Rotokawa Tuakana? Before they do come out to stage, I have a special message. It's a shout out to Damia Rose. Go hard, my darling. I'll be watching you live. Love you from Dad. From Papa Gabes to Damia Rose. So make sure you go hard. All right, te kura o Rotokawa tuakana. Our tutors, special mention to our tutors, Whaia Raukura Roberts, Whaia Oriwia Murray, and Whaia Pirihira Pau me te pononga. Ko Rotokawa e tū whakahihi nei ke runga I te ātāmira nei, hei manawa o uenuku kōpako, ki te whakanui te taonga o te mahi toi. Ka tū tātou hei rōpū o ngā kura kua hui hui mai nei, ki te whakanui I tō tātou hononga. Ko tahitanga me te hononga wairua hoki ki te hāpori. Ka nui te mihi ki ngā rōpū o mua, I tū ki te mahi whakangāhau ki a mātou, I whaioro hoki I te ātāhuatanga o tō tātou ahurea. Just spat there. Whakaeke, ko te aroa ki te whenua, pātere, ko io te timatanga, waiata āringa, Rotokawa whakamiharotia, nā Raukura Roberts, kia ora Cassie. Poi, hine moa, nā Wirimu Williams, and haka koe anō, whakawātea tū taua mai. After they have performed, can I please ask Oho Mairangi and Te Whiti from Mokoia, ngā Pōtiki Ngau Papawai to come out and receive the Māori, because Mokoia next year will be hosting Te Hiwi o Toroa. So as a gift of Te Hiwi Toroa, I'd just like to go back to our first kōrero where we got the name. Hai konei ka mutu te tohe tangata, mō rewa ke taku wahine matua, kia mātia te riri, rukuhia te wai, mā te one katoa. So that being said, tau I te kura, remember our story at the beginning, how tau I te kura had a pohoi Toroa, and she was the third wife that took the dive down onto Hiwi o Toroa, which is in between Mokoia Island and Hannah's Bay. And she is the one that won the prize of being the principal wife of Uenuku Kōpako, and that is the reason why we celebrate Te Hiwi o Toroa. So after Rotokawa tuakana have finished their performance, they will be handing over the Māori to Mokoia Intermediate. So without further ado, let's give it up. One more round of applause for Te Kura o Rotokawa tuakana. One more round of applause for Te Kuro Rotokawa Tuakana. Can I please ask Oho Mairangi and Tawhiti to make their way out to receive the Māori o Te Hiwi o Toroa. So Te Hiwi o Toroa, the Māori, was a gift from the kaiako o ngā toki. So we'd like to give special thanks to them. Ka pai koutou. Thank you. Thank you, Oho. Thank you, Tawhiti. Thank you, Rotokawa Tuakana. Before you guys head off stage, can I just have a kōrero with your guys' kaitātaki? Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Who am I speaking with today?
Hua te wharau.
Hey, that's our main name. What about you?
Te Marsha Lee.
Hey, Marsha Lee. Which one was the Mia Rose? Hey, you got your special shout out. Hey. Right, what is one thing that you enjoyed through this performance?
The haka.
A haka. What about you?
Waiata aringa.
Waiata aringa. Why were those things your favourite items?
First time using the rākau.
It's first time ever using the rākau. Ooh, what a fierce warrior he is. What about you?
It was fun.
It was fun. It definitely was. It sounded fun, sounded energetic. Before I let you guys go, we're just going to give a pukana to all our whānau that are watching at home. Ka pai? On 3, 1, 2, 3, pukana! Ka pai kōrua, you can make your way off go. Before we move on to the next ropu, I have a key that has been handed in. If anybody has lost their key to their truck or their car, you can make your way behind the curtains and we... Oh, is it... We have found the owner. Hopefully that phone was found. Not too sure. Ooh, something in my eye. Also, before we move on to the next ropu, just one more special shout out and thanks to our major sponsor, One Foundation. Without their funding, we wouldn't have this event for today, a special occasion. So special thanks to One Foundation, Kerry Bird and Lynn Preston. Tēnā kōrua. All right, up next, we have Te Kurataka Waingo Makoia, who's here to support Makoia once again. Rā koia ko ngā toki ngau papawai. Ai e tātou kia oho mai. Hei ha, ai raya he aki e te whenua. Kia whanatu atu te ahi kauri. E ha raurau I kōrara. Oro hia mō, oro mai oha. Tū rau oro mai. Ai taku oro. Ai e tātou, maranga mai. Hei ha, ai raya he mānene ngā taonga. Mai orotia, he kākahi pūhoru, he kākahi whakairoiro, he kākahi pui aki, oro hi kāka, oro mānawa, pāria oro mai, ai taku oro, māni oro ki, mātea kore rawa, ai tātou kia tūrangatira mai, kia tupu mā tike, mai te māra o uenuku kōpako. Waitatira. E te ariki mō Māria, he waiata tēnei e whakanui ngā hāhi whakapono tahi pū o te whakarewa tangata tūnga o te ope taua awahia. Yeah. He waiata hanga tēnei nā ngairo here taunga. Whakaeke, toia mai ngā mātā waka tau mā heke. Hihi. Ko te ngohe whakaeke nei, he mihi, mā nawa ki ngā tau tōhito o nanahi, kia te mōrehurehutanga o te iwi o iha raira anō ki. He waiata hanga tēnei nā kimoro taiapa. nā te wāta crib anō ki. Ko te haka hea mea hanga, nā te mōrehu tūhua. Wāta āringa. Tōku reo, te murau o te tini. Ko te waiata āringa tēnei e whakanui ana i ngā waiata, e kōhuki haere ana i te ao, o ai anei, e mihi kau ana ki tō tātou reo, me tō tātou Māoritanga. He waiata hanga tēnei nā te tāwhiro, makiwhara, nā te okeroa hure waka anō ki kātahi. Katahi e waiata hanga nā te taipa kāmeta. Haka, karanga tū, te pākai tai kāka. Ko te haka kōwiri, nei he puha raina raia mo te kura o Mokoia. Whakawātea, he oro makorea. Ko ngā waiata nei, he hokinga no te mahara ki ngā kuia me ngā koraua o nehe rā, he mea whakatā, he mea marihi. It looks like they are sharp and ready. Let's give one more round of applause for te kura takawanga Mokoia, ngā pōtiki, ngau papawai. How Pōtiki ngau Papua. Let's give them one more round of applause. Hiya. How fun and energetic was that performance? Can I please have Oho Mairangi and Tawhiti? Oho. Tawhiti. How about that solo, whānau? Oh, isn't he amazing? But those kani moves at the end there. Ooh, oh, what was your most favourite part of your performance?
The haka, eh?
The haka. Why was it the haka?
Because I got tired.
Got tired, whānau? That means he went hard out. What about you, Tawhiti? What was your most favourite thing about that performance?
The entry,
The whakaeke? Why was it the whakaeke?
because we put heaps of kaha into it.
They put heaps of kaha into it. What do you reckon? Do you think they put heaps of kaha into their performance today? Yeah. Some beautiful singing. Awesome and fierce haka too. Oh, what was one of the things that you enjoyed learning all of your items?
The taiaha.
The taiaha. Why is that?
Because it was hard.
Hard. He didn't know how to do it, but now he does. You reckon he's a bit of a pro? I do. Hey, what about Tawhiti? What was one of the things you enjoyed learning all of your items?
Everything.
Everything. Everything. What if you had to choose one specific item?
Probably the patu.
A patu. Mo patu. We've got the rākau and the patu here. Both of them are both skilled warriors in those categories now, I reckon. What do you guys say? Yes? No? Yeah, I reckon. Let's give it up one more time for Oho Mairangi and Tawhiti. But before they head off, we're going to give our crowd and our viewers watching at home a pukana. Can you come to the center stage? Start walking backwards. Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, pukana! Kapa kora, you can make your way off there. All right. Unfortunately, that was our last ropu for the day. But before we close things up, I'd like to ask Matua Regan to come and wrap us up with one final kōrero. So Matua Regan, is he back there? Yep, here he is. Check. Here we go.
Kia ora te whānau. First and foremost, I just want to give our tamariki another big paki for their performances today. Also, our MC, Jaira, did a great job. Our Kapa Haka tutors, without them, we wouldn't have our tamariki up on stage. Thank you to all our Kapa Haka tutors. One Foundation for the funding. Without them, we wouldn't have this awesome stage. Our Māori wardens out there doing the traffic in that hot sun. Elite scaffold for our stage. The Piripoho nurses for our free sausages. Thank you. Local Gecko Productions for your effort and the memories that they're going to have on YouTube of this event. So thank you to Mike and Moana and your whānau for coming out and recording our Kapa Haka. Palmers for the plants, all our schools that were involved, our kaumātua that were just sitting down there. Thank you all. And next year in 2024, we look forward to having this event once again, and it's going to be held at Makoia Intermediate. So just on behalf of the Rotokawa staff, we want to thank you all for coming along today and hope you had a great day. And I'm sure you make sure that you tell your tamariki when you get home that they were awesome today, because they were. So kia ora koutou katoa.
Cool, we're just going to ask Koro Parone to close us off with a karakia, and then we may all head home or head back to school. So thank you, Koro.
Kia ora tātou katoa. Anei tā rā te whiua ki ngā mihi anō kia koutou wā tātou nei tamariki mokopuna. Tamariki mokopuna. Anei rā te whiua ke o te korowai mārungi a koutou i tēnei wā. Nō reira kai mihi ati kia koutou e whakamiharo wā tātou nei. Anei, tēnei taha. E whakahirihira ai wā koutou nei tū. Wā koutou nei mana. Wā koutou nei taputanga. Nō reira kia koutou rā wā tātou nei tamariki mokopuna. Anei rā te whiua ake ngā mihi. Ati kia koutou. Ana kia tātou katoa. E whakakāhui tia nei. Nō reira i rungi i te inoi. Nō reira atua kaharawa whakapā mai. Whakapā mai te ringa mārungi i wā tātou nei tamariki mokopuna. Hei pēhea wā rāta nei anga mo i rungi i te tika i rungi i te pono. Tēnei hoki te whakatautau mai te manākitanga te awhitanga. O wā tātou nei kroua kuia. Hei whakatautau mārungi i wā koutou nei Pakahiwi. Hui e, tai ki e. Kia ora tātou tamariki mokomotama.
Ka pai tamariki, when your teachers or your parents are ready, you may leave with your teachers.